In this week's edition of the Business Review, we're looking into the health and life insurance business. Newcomer Canopy Insurance has pledged to transform the industry with modernized solutions. Here is TVJ's Andrew Lately.
Canopy Insurance is the brainchild of Grace Kennedy and the Musson Group. Both companies have combined vast financial resources and skill sets to make it a reality. Chairman Don Webby says both companies decided to make the move because the current insurance offerings were not sufficient.
Canopy actually started with ambitious goals. The story behind it is that GK and Musson took a look at the value and service received in exchange for the premiums that we were paying our companies to other companies annually to provide group health and life insurance benefits to our employees. Our research, GK and Musson, showed that a large market that was underserved.
But getting into the insurance business took some convincing. Mr. Webby says the company had to lay a firm foundation to attract stakeholders.
We knew we had to enter the market with a value proposition that was first class. So we embarked on a journey to create a more innovative, more consumer-centric, and more solution-oriented provider. We also had to ensure that we embraced all our stakeholders.
But it didn't take long before things started to look up.
We have started to see encouraging signs of growth, with key accounts being signed and even more promising deals to be on the horizon.
As Canopy's managing director Sean Scott explains, the company is well on its way to rival some of the more established insurance brands.
We began in October with 6,000 individuals, the employees and families of our shareholder groups, numbering just about over 6,000. And with the encouragement of the broker community in November, we began to receive requests for proposals from the market. And I am extremely proud to report that in just 2 short months, Canopy's membership has grown over 60% to 10,000 members.
Canopy has entered into an agreement with technology firm Advanced Integrated Systems. That deal allows Canopy to utilize its provider access system that facilitates online real-time insurance claims. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.